Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew, and today we are going to show you how to make a simple swipe transition using Adobe After Effects. So you can go swipe, and then I'm gone. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and make a new composition, set it to whatever setting you want. I like doing 4K just because then you can always scale it down to whatever you need. We're just going to go ahead and call this main, and we are going to make this about a 1 second transition, and then we'll say OK. And then you want to set your color to whatever you want your color to be. We're just stick with this dark gray for now, and drag it out to whatever size you want, which we're going to do the full screen. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and set your keyframes. So you'll press P to open up the position, and then I would set it all the way over to one side of the screen, whichever side you want the transition to come from. Go ahead and hit the keyframe, and then you want to move it out about 12 frames, maybe a little bit longer, depending on how long you want the transition to be. And then go ahead and drag your positions here. But if you hold shift, you can drag it a lot faster across the screen. Okay. And then once you have that, you're going to go ahead and make sure you turn on motion blur. Your layer, copy with Control C and paste with Control V, or Command C and Command V if you're on a Mac. And then you're going to want to take whichever layer you want to be your top color. You're going to want that to stay on top, and then your bottom color. So I'll click the bottom layer, change my fill, and then we're going to change this to a slightly different color. Say OK. And then we're going to go ahead and move this out 1 frame, so that way you can see you have the 2 colors. And we're going to go ahead and copy and paste that one again. And then we'll do the same thing, but we'll make this more of a straight white. And then we'll move that out 1 frame, so that way you have all 3 colors there. And then, once you have that where you like it, you're going to go ahead and, well, you can start by cutting the frame right there, because you don't need the trailing stuff. So that's Command Shift and then D, or Control Shift D, I believe, on Windows. You're going to want to highlight all your layers, right click, pre-compose, and call this, we'll just call it swipe. And then what you're going to do is, if you look at how it rendered out, you'll find your end. Cut that off because you don't need it. And then you find about right there, so you can cut that. Do the same thing. And then you want to copy that layer, right click one of them, it doesn't really matter. Go to Transform, flip horizontally, and right click again, go to Time and Time Reverse Layer. Then you want to drag that one to the front, and then drag your other one back, and then what you'll get, there you go. And you can see now if you scrub through it real quick, you got it starting and you got it ending. And the only other thing you need to do now is turn your motion blur on and turn it on for the 2 top layers. So that way you get a nice motion blur. And then it'll just blur all your lines together. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification icon, and make sure you share the video. Hope to see you next time.